Hey, I'm Andrew Schaefer from Vancouver, Washington.
I'm Sandy and Tony. I'm from the Bahamas.
Hey, my name's Eric Sadie. I'm from Vancouver, BC.
Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm from the UK.
After this class, I know I'm going to be experimenting a little more with my lighting, going outside the boundaries, and just pushing through the fears I have.
It's highly informative, insightful, and absolutely inspiring.
In this light sculpting class, they shed a lot of light.
But I think if you generally want your photography to change and it's something that really means a lot to you, I think you should just do it and just embrace feeling comfortable.
I really respect the work he does. He's very creative, and I just wanted to learn from him. I was just very inspired by him.
He's funny, the lighting techniques, and again, he's just open and honest about his methods, and he truly cares about everyone that's here.
It's going to get you out of your own head, help you overcome barriers, and it's just a lot of fun.